How to improve your motion graphics. Today's video is sponsored by Walt Disney. Let's say that you have a boring background node. Instead of paying to some idiots to get a very basic dust elements, you can make it yourself. Add a merge node, and change the apply mode to lighten. Bring a fast noise node in empty space, and drag it to the left viewer. Increase the contrast slider. Increase the scale slider roughly around 10. Check the discontinuous box, and the invert box. Set the contrast slider to 20. Increase the detail slider to your liking, and you'll get some nice dust elements. Increase the seethe rate slider. Right-click to the center value, and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, and bring down the smoothness slider. Connect the fast noise to the merge node as a foreground, and your background is gone. With the fast noise selected, go to the Tools tab, under the Color menu, and increase the alpha slider of the black color. Last step, select the merge node and add a stop motion node. Adjust the dust element to your liking and start using it in your projects. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, there is no other option for you.